To set bedtime in the Kids app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Kids app. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap parental controls. Enter your current screen lock or you can use your biometric. Tap bedtime. Now set the sleep time. As the example, we will set it from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. the next day. Select the days. As the example, we will set it to every day. Enter the title. And then tap Save button. With this setting, when your kid use the Kids app during the sleep time, they will be notified that it's time to sleep. During the bedtime, your kid will not be able to use the Kids app except you add more playtime. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.